case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1995 case that reached the Kansas Supreme Court, a road accident resulted in the death of a worker on his way home from work, sparking a workers' compensation dispute that put a spotlight on labor laws. Donald L. Kindel, the deceased worker, had been driven home by his supervisor James Graham in a company vehicle when the accident occurred. They had previously stopped at a bar post-work where both had become intoxicated, leading to elevated blood alcohol levels at the time of the accident. Despite this, the Workers' Compensation Board deemed Kindel's death to have occurred in the course of his employment, entitling his surviving family to compensation. An appeal by Kindel's employer, Ferco Rental Inc., sought to deny the compensation claim, arguing that Kindel's intoxication and his violation of company policies directly led to the accident. Yet this argument was challenged by the claimants, stressing that such criteria did not apply to the case. The court sided with the Workers' Compensation Board, re-emphasizing the need to interpret the workers' compensation laws liberally. They awarded compensation and funeral expenses to Kindel's survivors. Ferco Rental's efforts to prove that Kindel's intoxication was a substantial cause of the accident didn't meet the court's criteria, with the court ruling that such a conclusion required speculative inferences beyond the existing evidence. Subjectivity around the worker's behavior during deviations from employment played no role in the court's decision, ultimately affirming that Kindel's death fell in the course of employment, and thus his family was eligible for compensation. The court's verdict reaffirmed the rights of workers and raised questions about the responsibility of employers in ensuring their welfare. This landmark verdict provided an important precedent for interpreting workers' compensation statutes, not just in Kansas, but potentially influencing judgment in similar cases nationwide.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.